kitchen. Today I'm going to make you delicious, inexpensive, elegant Dutch pancake. I'm sure everyone in your family is gonna like it. Let's start. To make this pancake, you need to have a cast iron skillet. If you don't have one at home, you need to use the one that its handle doesn't melt in your oven. Put it in 400 degrees oven and just leave it there and start mixing your ingredients. You need to have a bowl, half of the cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, quarter of teaspoon salt. You mix all the dry ingredients, a cup of milk, it's better to add the milk gradually. You should whisk it really well that you don't see any clumps. Then you need to add 2 eggs. Okay. You're gonna have the batter like this. It's a little bit more liquid than a mixed pancake. Now it's a time to add your vanilla extract. I add just 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. If you don't have it, you can just skip it. Now you need to take out your cast iron skillet. You need to add the butter. It's better to add 1 tablespoon butter. Now leave it in the oven for about 2 minutes till the butter is melted. I add my iron skillet, the melted butter. Now I add my batter. Now leave it in the oven for approximately 18 minutes or until the top is golden and brown. After 18 minutes, we are going to check our pancake. Ta-da! It's ready. Look at it, how fluffy it is. You can add powdered sugar, or maybe you can add a little bit of strawberry jam or maybe Nutella. Ready to eat. Bon appetit!